Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change currency on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is head over to settings, then click on account and settings. Then next in the left panel, just head over and click advanced and scroll down, and from here you should be able to see currency settings. To change the currency, just click on it, and from the drop down menu, just choose the currency that you want to use. Say for example, we're going to use US dollar. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!